This is your Ajax All-In-One Multi-Purpose. That will cost you about $4 versus the Skoosh Multi, which costs about 80 cents for the 500ml. So saving you about 75 to 80%. So when we compare the Windex to the Skoosh Multi Window and Glass, this works out at around 30 cents per bottle, which saves you 90% compared to your Windex. Lastly, Skoosh Multi-Purpose, when 4 litres are made up, works out to be $6.40. Koh Universal Cleaner costs $29.95 for 4 litres. That's a saving of 80%. So click the link below this video to find out more about Propre Skoosh and Skoop range.